and today I'm going to show you where to find silver ore really close. Here in Hernand, we want to go to the Three Saints Falls area, and it's right there by the D in the Hernand. There's a couple of fast travel spots right by there as well. So you're going to travel right here to this location on the waterfall, and then you're going to just jump right down here and then do your stab attack to get right through there. Okay, and then there's going to be this little discolored rock here to the left. And you're going to force palm that to break it, and then you're going to just enter the cave, and you will find all the silver ore nodes that you can mine with your knuckle drill, or you can use your pick. And I do definitely recommend upgrading your knuckle drill because you'll get so much more ore from each node than just one or two. See, I don't really have it upgraded when I filmed this video, so I was only getting like 1 silver ore per node. So definitely upgrade that drill if you can. So there you go. That's how you can find silver ore, and it's going to come in very handy as you upgrade your jewelry and things. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.